how to sell Temu products on Amazon. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be teaching you a concept on how you will be able to sell effectively products from Temu to your Amazon store. Now, one might argue that you could just buy items in Temu and then after receiving them, you could simply list them on Amazon for you to sell. But I'm going to suggest a method for you to be able to do this without actually buying the product yourself and receiving it and keeping the inventory, but we're going to do some sort of drop shipping wherein you just take the information from Temu. For example, these slippers over here, we will be able to take the information of this specific item and manually put it into Amazon for us to sell. For example, this one, all you need to do is to download this image or the different images such as the different variants and take the different information such as the title, the price, and description. And then after that, you're simply going to manually add it to Amazon. And when someone orders that item in Amazon, you can simply order it in Temu using the customer information that was provided to you by your customer in Amazon. So that way, you will never have to handle the inventory. Although you have to handle ordering it manually, which is a pretty manual job, but it's still a more effective way than buying the item in Temu and then selling it through Amazon after receiving it as an inventory. If you're wondering how you could download the different images in Temu, since you won't be able to easily save the image as just like this one, as you can see, it's going to be saved as swept file. You can simply install an extension called Temu Image Downloader, wherein you will be able to download the different images from Temu just like with this screenshot over here. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.